Within the last 2 days, I went from being broke to being rich. This video that I posted last month got over 1 million views within 48 hours and makes me over 6K in revenue. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I did it using only AI tools. I'm going to share with you my secret on how I make passive income on YouTube using AI. That's right, artificial intelligence. AI plays a crucial role in understanding my audience's preferences, analyzing trends, and optimizing my content strategy. This helps me attract more viewers and increase my monetization potential. So, let's break down the steps to make passive income with AI on YouTube. The first step is to research and understand your target audience. AI tools like keyword research tools and social media listening platforms can provide valuable insights into what topics are popular and what your audience is searching for. Now that you know what your audience wants, it's time to create engaging content. AI can assist you in various ways, from generating video ideas using natural language processing to editing videos using automated tools. This helps you streamline your content creation process and improve its quality. Once your videos are ready, it's crucial to optimize them for search engines. AI-driven SEO tools can help you identify relevant keywords, optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions, and even suggest improvements based on the latest trends. This ensures your videos rank higher in search engine results and attract more organic traffic. To make passive income, you need to understand your channel's performance and audience behavior. AI-powered analytics tools provide you with in-depth data on viewer engagement, demographics, and revenue metrics. This information helps you make data-driven decisions to further grow your channel and increase your earnings. Finally, it's time to monetize your channel. With a growing subscriber base and consistent engagement, you can apply for various monetization methods like Google AdSense, brand collaborations, sponsored videos, merchandise, and more. AI-driven tools can assist you in identifying potential sponsors and optimizing your monetization strategies. And there you have it, my friends. That's how I make passive income on YouTube with the help of AI.